Can you make money while you sleep? Believe it or not, it's possible through affiliate marketing. This form of entrepreneurship allows you to generate income without having to buy, sell, or store any products. In this article, we'll explore how can you make money with affiliate marketing and unlock the potential of the passive income. So, are you ready to make money while you sleep? Let's dive in and find out. Before moving on, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of inspiring videos. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves selling products or services on behalf of another company or network. These desired activities could include someone purchasing a product through a link on your blog or completing an offer from one of the linked networks. How does affiliate marketing work? There are two types of requirements to start this affiliate income stream: business and personal. 1. Business requirements are an offer, platform, or landing pages, traffic, trackers, and campaigns. 2. Personal requirements are you must be patient, humble, and creative for this type of business. Most likely, when you receive an offer, you learn that a business, service, or product needs to be promoted. You will promote offers on their behalf for an associated commission. How to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023. Choose a few high-quality items. It's common for beginning affiliate marketers to sign up for too many programs and then attempt to promote everything they see. This will overwhelm you and will prevent you from effectively selling your items. Determine the value of the product. To be successful, it's essential to make sure that the product you are selling is highly sought after. Even if you strive to the best of your abilities, you may only be able to make a few sales or none at all, depending on the level of demand for the product. Use a variety of traffic sources to promote services or products. A common mistake that marketers make is to solely advertise on their own websites. This isn't wrong, but there are a multitude of other avenues that can be used to promote their company simultaneously. How do I make money online with affiliate marketing using the best tips? Earning an income online by connecting to affiliate programs necessitate this endeavor. There is an abundance of advice that a novice can make use of. The most essential of these tips include: 1. Familiarize yourself with marketing by reading any material you can get your hands on. Utilizing the informative article available on Google can be an effective way to gain knowledge quickly. Number 2. After joining the forum, some experienced people are willing to share their experiences and strategies with you. That result would help you immensely grow your affiliate marketing business. When you are in a community of people who share the same goals, you will find many excellent suggestions. It would be best to save all of your brainstorms so that you may recall them later. Synchronize these files to your hard drive system. The best ever advice is to do market research before doing anything online in a particular vertical. Test your idea before diving in. 5. It's a good offer. Buy it. Won't. You have to work on copywriting for marketing, because the only purpose of marketing is to make sales. Great facts, great sales tactics, great creative and customer psychology make sales. The most effective way to make money is to thoroughly invest in an affiliate marketing enterprise and then expect minimal compensation for the time you spend doing so. In the beginning, it may require a lot of effort, but at some point, it will become established and booming. So you will indeed see profits from affiliate marketing while snoozing. Kindly subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. We will be right back with more videos and have a great day. Bye.